Hello, everybody, and welcome back to Sip It Out. You can't really say fall has arrived until you've made something cozy with pumpkin. And today we're taking that warm, comforting flavor and turning it into something a little unexpected: pumpkin bagels. These are soft, chewy, beautifully golden, and lightly sweetened from honey. Basically, fall baked into a perfect breakfast bite. So grab these ingredients and let me show you how you can bake these in your kitchen too. In a large bowl or a mixer, we're combining all of our dough ingredients first. By the way, I'm using a canned pumpkin puree today, but nobody is stopping you from making your own puree if you prefer and have the time. Also, if you like to activate your yeast first, you can mix it with the warm water and honey and let it sit until foamy before adding everything else. I personally skip that step when I know my yeast is still good. It saves time and works just as well. Now we're going to knead the dough on medium speed or by hand for about 10 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. After 10 minutes or so, it should feel pretty firm and strong since it's a bagel dough and you want that chewiness. Once the dough is ready, cover the bowl and let it rise in a warm spot until doubled in size. Depending on your kitchen, that usually takes about an hour or two. When the dough has doubled, divide it into 8 to 10 equal pieces. Then roll each piece into a smooth ball and let them rest again under a damp towel briefly this time for about 15 to 20 minutes. This short rest lets the gluten relax, which makes the shaping much easier. To shape the bagels, the easiest way is to poke a hole in the center of each ball and gently stretch it outward. Or you can follow my favorite method as I'm showing you here by rolling it into a log and connecting the ends. Now you could stop here, but to make them extra festive, we're shaping them into pumpkins. Using a sharp pair of kitchen scissors, make several cuts around each dough circle, about 1 inch apart. You want to go about 3/4 of the way down, keeping the base intact. Just be careful not to cut all the way through, otherwise they'll fall apart during the water bath. And this is what gives us those cute pumpkin ridges. At this point, cover them again with a damp towel and let them rest for a final rise for about another hour. Next, moving on to the key step for bagels, the water bath. Bring about 3 cups of water to a simmer and dissolve in some brown sugar. This gives our bagels that classic chewy crust and a touch of sweetness. After the final rise, carefully cut around each bagel's parchment square and gently lower them into the simmering water upside down. Let them simmer just for about 30 seconds on each side, then transfer them to a parchment-lined baking sheet. Lastly, brush them with a little beaten egg white for that extra shine, and I personally like to decorate the tops with just a few pumpkin seeds. These steps are totally optional, but highly recommended. Bake the bagels in the preheated oven for about 25 minutes until golden brown and your kitchen smells like a cozy fall morning. There you have it. Let them cool just slightly before digging in. Soft, chewy, subtly sweet, and full of warm fall flavor, these pumpkin bagels are proof that pumpkin season doesn't stop at pie. Make them for breakfast, brunch, or your next fall gathering. They'll disappear faster than you think. They're delicious on their own, but my favorite way to enjoy them is with a raw honey cinnamon compound butter. The recipe for that is of course included in the description box below. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who loves all things pumpkin. I'll see you in the next video. Happy baking!